to do bird, rabbit, cat, and keep going on, and to the next, and then we repeat it all over. No, because like every time you get near the end, you'll just go back to the start and then go to the end again. And I literally just put on the three A's, like the different types of A's, and they would say what word is it in. They wouldn't tell you like which one. You would have to choose which one it is. Yeah, no, no. Um, frustrated and annoyed. I know one was maybe the three A's. So we had, so of course we had like, um, baby, can't remember all of them, but like all the A's. And you'd just have to choose like at least like one of those ones, but like you would never know until you chose what word. Um, spell it out or ask for help.